3 ways within your landscape that you can beat the drought. Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability around California, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. I'm also a residential landscape designer, so if you do need landscape design services, I will have a link to my business website down below in the description of the video. So the first way that you can, in your landscape, beat the drought is to plant plants, whether they're native to California or not, that don't need a lot of water. We call them drought-tolerant plants, low water usage plants. And when you plant these type of plants in your garden, from sages to lavenders to kangaroo paw to hesperaloe, these plants are not going to be watered as much or need to be watered as much once they're established. In the beginning, sure, you water at least twice a week for 10 minutes until the plants are establishing. But then you gradually taper down the amount of watering. And eventually, because you're not going to be really using much water, you're going to be saving water, thus saving money. The second way within your landscape that you can beat the drought is to collect rainwater. And by collecting rainwater and even collecting gray water, what that means is it's free water that you can use to irrigate your landscape with. You can have rain tanks in your garden, connect the rain tanks to your irrigation system. And if it rains, which in California lately it has been, thank God, what will happen is the irrigation system will use that water to irrigate the landscape with, and then it will only use city water when that water's fresh out. The other thing you can do is connect your laundry to your irrigation system. I had a client in the city of Tustin that connected her laundry to her citrus trees. So all of her citrus trees is exclusively watered by the water that essentially washes her clothes with. The third way that you can beat the drought in your landscape is to reduce the size of your lawn. Now, I get it. If you have kids and you know your kids are going to actively play in an area of grass, or the dog wants to run around in grass, it's okay to have some grass in your yard. But the problem with grass, and the reason why I don't always recommend it, is that you have to mow it, you have to water it almost daily, you have to fertilize it, and there's all kinds of things you need to do to it to keep it lush and green, and that's all money. Not to mention, watering daily is just using up excess water that is unnecessary. If you reduce the size of your lawn, or better yet, kill your lawn, and replace it with drought-tolerant plants, you're going to be bettering the environment. You're going to bring all those beneficial birds and butterflies and hummingbirds into your garden. They're not going to go to the next door neighbor's garden to have a party. They're going to come to your house.